Baluarte de San Diego Gardens. Baluarte de San Diego Gardens. This is a very historical place in Metro Manila, but I'm not going to talk about its history. Maybe I'll put some facts about it in the latter part of this vlog, but I would like to talk about its benefit to the human health. If you need some fresh air, green environment, Baluarte de San Diego Gardens is one of the best places to visit in Metro Manila. Many studies have demonstrated various positive health effects of urban green spaces, including reduced depressions and improved mental health, reduced cardiovascular morbidity and mortality, improved pregnancy outcomes, and reduced rates of obesity and diabetes, reviewed by World Health Organization, Regional Office for Europe. The evidence of health benefits due to mental restoration and relaxation from having contact with nature and green space is well documented. It has been suggested that contacts with nature, such as views of green space, can trigger positive effects for persons with high stress levels by shifting them to a more positive emotional state. And that stimuli in natural settings help to restore a sense of well-being in persons suffering mental fatigue. It was also shown that walking in the natural environment produces stronger short-term cognitive benefits than walking in the residential urban environment. It has also been demonstrated that exposure to green space alleviates depression symptoms. There is also accumulating evidence that physical activity in green space is more restorative and beneficial for health than physical activity in non-natural environment. Vitamin G, where G stands for the green space around us, aims to establish the relationship between the amount and type of green space in people's living environment and their health, well-being, and feelings of safety. So, if you need some green space, you can just visit this Baluarte de San Diego Gardens in Intramuros. On January 26, 2021, the City of Manila posted at manila.gov.ph that the Intramuros administration is pleased to open the Baluarte de San Diego as a healing garden for the medical frontliners of the City of Manila. as their way of sharing gratitude and support to our health workers. The Healing Garden will serve as a place of solace and sanctuary to uplift the well-being of our modern-day heroes. Well, even if you're not a medical frontliner, check it out, and I'm sure you will be refreshed and feel better. Aside, of course, from God, who is our real vitamin G, we also need this vitamin G that stands for green space. So wherever you are, you can visit the green spaces in your area and just follow the protocols during this pandemic. Even David in Psalm 23 considers green pasture as a place of rest. In Psalm 23 verses 1 to 2, it says there, "The Lord is my shepherd. I have everything I need. He lets me rest in green pastures." In New Living Translation, it says there, "He lets me rest in green meadows." Literally, green pastures or green meadows or green spaces can give us rest. During this pandemic, I hope we will have that freedom in going to green spaces in our condos, amenities, at the parks, in the gardens, because we need green spaces to maintain good mental health.